Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare active trading with the passive one, and which one is right, I'll let you know by the end of it. If you're looking to grow your wealth, choosing the right strategy is very crucial. Today, we are breaking down the pros, cons, and the key differences between these two investing styles. So, starting with the active trading. This is for people who buy, sell stocks frequently, sometimes within minutes or hours. It includes strategies like day trading, swing trading, and options trading. What is the goal of them? It is to quick profit by taking advantage of short-term price movements, but it requires time, skill, and high tolerance for risk. So, if you talk about passive trading, on the other hand, it is basically a long-term strategy where you buy and hold assets like index funds or EFTs for years, and instead of timing the market, passive investors let the compound growth do the work. It is low stress, low cost, and historically outperforms most traders over the time. So comparing both of these and telling you which strategy is best for you. If you love analyzing the charts, taking risk, and making quick moves, active trading might be your thing. But if you want a hands-off approach with consistent long-term gains, passive investing is the smarter choice. And as you can see on the chart, you can see different platforms which offer active trading, which offers passive investing. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.